Buongiorno, paisani. I'm not in the best of moods. I don't know what's going on in this world, or I don't know, this modern era that we're in. In 2 days, 3 people have passed that that I know, that I'm close to, well, that I was close to, and it's just shocking to me. And sta maledetta de malatia che manco voglia ninduari. That's today's daily Sicilian word, is annunduare, means to name, or nominare in Italian. It's taken away way too many people out of our lives, too many precious lives. I just want to extend my deepest sympathies to the Fiore family, the Zambito family. Rosie, I'm truly sorry for your loss of your husband. He was a very good man. Leo was a very good man, and he will truly be missed, but not forgotten. Also, my cousin Angie in Pennsylvania, who lost her husband to a heart attack. My deepest sympathies go out to her and her family as well. And, well, yes, as everybody heard, read from my message yesterday, I lost a high school friend to cancer as well. And therefore, I extend my sympathies to Samantha Wexler's family. Guys, it's just a wake-up call. Please, please, don't put off saying to your loved ones how much they mean to you. Tell them you love them. Make time to see them. Make time to make that phone call and hear their voice. Life is so precious and so fragile. We think we're so strong, and yet we're dust. We're really dust. So please appreciate your life and appreciate those in your life, because you don't know how long you have truly on this earth. So God bless. Salutiamo e ci vediamo domani. Bye, everybody.